Has anybody ever heard bees having sex?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it was one of the worst porn films I ever saw.
There it is, in fact.
They got kicked out of Kew Gardens for that.
The extraordinary thing is that it makes an audible sound. It's a very female-centred society. The women do all the work. No, I know, Carrie, I had no change there.
No change.
And the drones, the boys, their sole job is to mate with the Queen, and hardly any of them get a chance to do so. But if you manage to mate with the Queen, once you have done so, your phallus ejaculates from your body. The whole thing tears off with an audible pop.
I think most blokes would think that's worth it.
Well, it actually plugs up the vagina. That's the whole point, is it stops the semen coming back out again. So all of the drones want to mate with the Queen, but only a very few of them are able to do so.
It's like Beyonce and Jay-Z. So if many want Queen Bee, she chooses one who lets her down, and she steals his phallus and makes an album about it.
She has sex with multiple drones.
Beyonce?
Not Beyonce.
What does she do with all the spare...
The spare? They get ejected eventually. She gets rid of them.
That must be intimidating. You go in to see the Queen and they're all on a shelf.
It's a dartboard.
They're not.
Don't open the door!
Well, Murray's the bee that's just had sex with her. He walks out like that, and there's a big long queue, and then his cock just hits him on the back of the head. Oh, sorry.
But how long do you think they have sex for?
I'm thinking if you knew that was going to happen, you'd be making it last as long
as possible. It's anywhere between 10 and 80 minutes.
OK.
And sometimes while they're flying, which must be, you know...
Is that like the Mile High Club for bees?
Yeah. Woo! This is better than I imagined. Oh,
no! Thank you for watching. Do remember to subscribe to the QI channel and click here to watch more videos.